Alright, hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I'll be showing you guys how to download Capcut and start video editing on your PC as if you're on your iPhone or Apple or whatever. And let's get straight into the video. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing you guys will need to do is go to Google. So now this works for Mac and Windows, so you guys can all use this software that I'll be using today. So first go to Bluestacks. This is a software that lets you have like an Android emulator, so you guys can download the software that you guys need. And it works with anything that you want, like TikTok on your PC or anything like that. So as you guys will see, once you're on the home page, you're going to see two buttons: download Bluestacks 10 or Bluestacks 5. I recommend the 5 version. It's really good for PC, so click there. And now it's going to start downloading at the bottom here. So since my Wi-Fi is pretty fast, I already downloaded. So once it did that for you guys all have to do is click on this and click run. Let me just load this up. And then you'll see this button right here, and you'll just need to click install now to start the installation progress. So let's do this. Alright guys, so now we're in the Bluestacks program. So this is pretty much the whole program. This, you can think of it as pretty much an Android device on your PC. So you can now like go to the App Store and download plenty of apps. So first, go to the App Store and let's sign in with our Google account. If you do not have a Google account, well, I'll create a video soon on how to create a Gmail account. But just go to Google and search up like how to create a Gmail account and create one from there. So now I'll just sign into my Gmail account.